Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Ayatul Kursi English translation. Allah, there is no God worthy of worship, except Him, the ever-living, all-sustaining. Neither tiredness nor sleep overtakes Him. To Him belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth. Who could possibly intercede with Him without His permission? He knows what is ahead of them and what is behind them, but no one can grasp any of His knowledge except what He wills. His seat encompasses the heavens and the earth, and the preservation of both does not tire Him. For He is the highest, the greatest. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:255. The primary theme of Ayatul Kursi. Ayatul Kursi summarizes some of the core beliefs and principles of Islamic monotheism. It introduces the attributes of Allah and the methodology of understanding these attributes. Ayatul Kursi teaches us that there is only one true God, Allah, who alone is worthy of worship. Allah is perfect in His names and attributes. He does not sleep, nor does He get tired. He controls and knows everything, and nothing can happen unless He wills it. There is nothing like Allah, and His attributes are unique and perfect.